Structure number 4, which is inside and outside circle, and it's really nice if you want to use it for revision. Now let's say that we had a lesson about the past simple tense, okay, and we don't have a lot of time in the session left, and you need to make sure that you make a quick recap, or you need to have a quick practice on the yes/no questions that you have, or the WH questions. So what you do is this: you divide your class in 2 groups, and then one of the groups is going to be standing as an outside circle, and then you have another group sitting as standing as an inside circle, and they will be facing each other, okay? So the inside group will be looking at the outside group, so you will have every 2 students looking at each other. So what will happen after this? Now you're going to ask one of the 2 circles to have a specific task. For example, the inside circle is going to be asking questions, and the outside circle is going to be answering questions. So this is what they have to stick to: the inside ask and the outside answers. So the inside circle has to ask questions in the past simple tense that you have just had and practiced to the outside circle, okay? For example, everyone is going to ask the student in front of him or her, saying like, what did you eat last time? Or what did you eat last night? And the other student in front of him will just say, well, I ate potatoes. So this student is going to keep asking again, like, what happened to the team that played last time? Or, you know, they would just keep like, what did you do yesterday? Or did you have fun in the game? And they would be just asking questions, and the one outside would keep answering these questions. And for you as a teacher, you're just going to choose to whistle, clap your hand, or do something with your students. Like, for example, when I clap my hand as a teacher, what happens is that one of the circles change. Like, for example, the inside circle is going to move 1 step to the left or 1 step to the right, and so they are going to change the partner that they have. So if I'm having a certain person in front of me now, I'm going to leave them and go to the second one, and that's how it's going to go. One of the circles keep going into a certain direction, and the outside circle will just stand as they are. And what will happen is this: they will just keep asking and answering as they are. After a certain time, usually after like a round or a half round, you will find that all students, like every 2 people, have been talking at the same time. And as we referred to that before, you will find that this is how students are speaking at the same time and in a simultaneous way. So what will happen after that? After some time, you're going to ask those students who were in the inside circle to get to be the outside circle, and those who were in the outside circle will become the inside circle, and they will have to change the roles. So those who were asking will be answering, and those who were answering will be asking. So those who were outside will get inside and ask questions in the past simple tense, and those who were inside will go outside and answer questions in the past simple tense. And of course, you can do this with anything else that you have had, whether it's grammar, vocabulary, or any skill that you want your students to practice, especially when it comes to speaking.